How to know who viewed your WhatsApp status secretly. If you're wondering who viewed your WhatsApp status, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to track all the viewers of your status, even if they try to be sneaky about it. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly explain how WhatsApp shows you who viewed your status. When you post a status on your WhatsApp, you can see a list of people who viewed it by simply swiping up on the screen. WhatsApp shows you the name of the viewers in real time. As you can see here, go to updates, and here this is my status. Here, as you can see, when you swipe up, you can view all the viewers. However, if someone has turned off their read recipients or is using WhatsApp in a certain way, you may not be able to see them as a viewer. Now, let's talk about read receipts feature. When a person views your status, you can see their name in the list of the viewers. But what if they don't want you to know they have seen it? Well, they can turn off their own read receipts to stay anonymous. Here's how you can do that. Simply open settings and go to privacy, and here you can find an option that says read receipts. Simply toggle that option off. While this setting off With this setting off, your view of the status will remain invisible to them as well, but the catch is that they won't be able to see who viewed their status either. Now, can WhatsApp wave show who viewed your status secretly? Now, open WhatsApp on your web and simply go to the status and just view the story as we did earlier. You can simply catch hidden viewers by checking the activity on WhatsApp wave, even they have disable read receipt. And that's it. These are some of the ways you can simply who have viewed your WhatsApp status secret.